This is just a little modification that was suggested on my comment section about the chimney, and just to experiment. This is the piece that I'm going to take out. It's from here to here, and I'm going to replace it with this. And you look inside, see it? Yeah, see there's actually a butterfly valve inside, and so to control it, open, closed, and there's the actuator on the side. So there's a little handle, brings it up there like that, locks it. So now locked open, and it doesn't completely shut. If you did, that would be not good news. So that's what it does. Right, so there we are. I'll show it in the shut position. Right, so there's the completely closed position. But if you look carefully, you can see there's a gap, and you really don't want to close the chimney off completely. So that's what I've done. That's what's made, and that's what's going to take place in there. So that'll fit in there, which will replace that little bit of the chimney, and then we can close it off and open it up and see if we can control the fire better. Now that was a suggestion on the comments. So I forget who made the comment now, but this is the experiment. So that's the first part. It's made. All we've got to do is fit it now. And don't forget, thumbs up, thumbs down, and subscribe. Turn that bell on, because I expect somebody else to make some comments, and we would experiment with them as well. So this is Dave signing off. Catch you all on the flip side. Buzzy buzz.